I hit the road with my headphones on. All my worries walking along to the beat of a song. Space around me is what I need. Let words and melodies set me free. The city's noises fade away as I face meadows and marshes on my way. Tracks of tears, the wind in my hair. I'm alive and I feel that I care. I find my peace in the great outdoors, ringed by birches, oaks and pines. I'm never lonely when I'm on my own. With you, my friends, I'm always fine. The world can be a lonely place sometimes, but you are always there to fill that space. I'm a breathing vessel of the pure divine, an insignificant special case. And I find my